Hello, my name is Shaylin Lee, and I'm applying for the Grand Canyon Servant Scholarship Fall 2013. The first question that was asked was, who is Jesus Christ? And I looked through the Bible to wanting to find a true and right answer for that. And I came across a conversation between him and Simon Peter. And Jesus Christ asks him, what about you? He asked, who do you say I am? And Simon Peter answered, you are the Christ, the Son of the living God. That's who Jesus Christ is. He is the Son of the living God. He is God in a human flesh form. You know, he came down to this earth to really show people how to live a Christian life, and he showed people examples, and he led by examples on how to really live a true, fulfilling Christian life. And you know, at the end of the time, he did make the ultimate sacrifice by dying on the cross for our sins. And I believe that through that action, I am able to praise and worship God the way that I am able to now. And I am just so thankful for God every single day for what he had done for us. And the second question on how do you come into relationship with him, I think it's the number one answer for me would be through prayer. I believe that through prayer, that's how you get Jesus Christ to be in your life, and that's how you get to have a relationship with him. It's simple. You just ask him to be in your life, and he's there in your life automatically. I remember a time in my life when prayer was absent in my life, and I felt really lonely, and I felt really depressed, and I didn't feel like myself, and I knew that my relationship with Jesus Christ was falling every day. And as soon as I started praying to him again, that's when I became whole, and that's when I became more happy with myself, and that's when I realized that my relationship with Jesus was stronger than ever. And so if you really truly want Jesus Christ to be in your life, to have a relationship with him, I believe that you should pray to him. And the last question was, describe a leadership experience in your church. And I remember about 2-3 years ago, I had gone to a Indian mission trip, and it was up in north, and it was a place called Hopi, and it wasn't anything major. I got to just paint the houses, help out with local town people. We did a vacation Bible study, but it was like little things like that that really showed me a leadership quality that I had. I was able to lead a group to do a vacation Bible study. It was just amazing to see what how God showed some qualities that I had in me through mission trips. And now I am a Sunday school teacher, and I found my passion to become a pediatric nurse after my college career. And I know that every Sunday he's preparing me to be a leader when I step out of college to become a nurse. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.